Alright everybody, I'm back. We got this got our template and our pontoon and the spuds all set. They're setting it right now. We're setting the template right now. Survey's here to shoot that thing in. Hold on. I can't walk and chew gum at the same time. Anyway, there's the chain. They got the other chain. You got it. That's what's holding the float, the pontoon, or whatever you want to call it, up in the air. They'll weld that template to the float so it won't move, and we'll pick up a caisson and put the hammer on, a vibrator hammer there on top of it, vibrate that thing in the ground, get it in there as far as we can go. Then we'll grab that big diesel hammer and start driving in the ground there. We're waiting on a cutter. The guy that's coming here, the demo guy, is gonna cut that out. We're waiting on them. We took the previous girders off ourselves. I'll probably have to pick that template up a couple more times. There's the girders we set there the other day. Waiting on this bit to get built. Get them set there, and eventually it'll be a bridge here for when we get done. I'll talk to y'all later.